So, Aisha, I really, really like you, and then I would want you to be mine. Seriously.
Well, I have a guy, but I don't understand. You mean it is only me that you like?
It's only you in the world that I like.
Can I invite you, but Serija? Are you sure that you might like me?
I like you. That is why I asked you out on our first date today.
So if you like me, let me see your phone. Unlock your phone, let me see it, and so that it is only me that you talk to. You don't talk to another woman.
Okay, that's my phone.
Mashallah. You passed the post test, but the fact that now you gave me your phone, it means that you don't have another woman. I believe you.
Thank you.
So, Nakama, do you really like me?
I like you.
I'm asking you this thing because I want to be very, very sure.
I like you, Aisha.
So the house that you are live on, is it your own house or you build it by yourself?
I rented the apartment, but very soon I'll build my own house.
Inshallah, you shall build your house. So if you married me, Yanzu, you know you are never going to marry another woman. You shall never brought another woman onto our house.
I promise you, I'll not do that.
Okay, finish. Send your people to come and see my people. Let us do the marriage.
Thank you very much. I love you too.
I love you too.
Fumilayo.
Chooks.
Fumilayo, I really like you. I want us to be, let's go.
Chooks, you sure this thing where you talk? You sure say you mean this thing where you talk?
I mean, I love you.
Hope say you feel they give me the kind of food where me I like to dey chop. Me as you see me like this, I no be spaghetti girl, so I dey like am for confirm ewa. I dey chop amala ati gbegiri. I dey chop food o, I dey chop am well. Rice I dey chop, and the yam I dey chop. Semo I no dey use am play with ewedu and pepper. I dey chop pepper o. Me I no wan hear say you get ulcer. Me I dey chop pepper o.
No problem, it's not a problem. We will handle that when we get to the page.
I hope say you dey go party because as you see me like this, see party, you see for here na party dey write for here na party dey write, and for down inside sef na party dey write. Hope say you dey like am because every weekend we go dey go party. Bokoli, Zazu, Olamide Bado, and dey rock life o. I no call this life to suffer o.
No problem, we will go to party. That one no a problem. You settle. Fumilayo.
And you go dey feel dey do me asebi o because my friend, I get plenty friends wey be say every Saturday we dey do wedding, so you go dey sew asebi for me. This clothes now wey you will see me wear like this na my friend asebi cloth be this o.
No problem. For me, it's okay.
And if anytime wey marriage between me and you she want to agree, you go sew for my mama asebi o. My mama get her own canopy with asebi. My papa get him own canopy with asebi. My brother get their canopy with asebi. My sister get canopy with asebi. My grandmother she get canopy with asebi. My grandfather she go get canopy and asebi. And me wey be say na me get wetin dey do, I go get my own canopy with my asebi o. You fit abi you no fit to do am?
Wahala dey o.
Wahala dey for where? You fit abi you no fit to do am?
I go think am. Asebi don plenty. Make I do only you and your mama.
Abeg dey go, you no serious. All these Igbo men, they no dey serious. Come out. I no dey beg man make you look me. Na chassis I be, na tear leather. Nobody don enter me before.
Fumilayo. Zukwanike
your own o. Zukwanike your own.
Enke Wanyoma.
Amy.
Enke, I really want to be with you. Just give me a chance. Enke.
Amy, are you sure? Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very sure, Enke.
Can you take care of me? Enke, I'm the Ada of my family. I have 12 siblings, younger ones. 4 on a university, 4 on a secondary school, and 4 on a primary school. Amy, are you sure you can deal with me?
Why not? I will try my best.
Because being with me means being with my siblings. You also have to take care of them, contribute to their life and their well-beings.
Okay, so that one is no problem. I will try my best.
Okay. Mana Amy, how many cars do you have?
I just have one car for now.
One car?
Yes.
So if we end up together, which one will I be driving?
Don't worry. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Because I know that for that, don't worry. And then it's I need to be sure and certain of what I'm getting into. Anyways, when we get married and I become pregnant, where will I give birth?
In the hospital, no?
Of course, I know in the hospital, man. Which of the hospitals? On getting at UK, America, getting Australia.
Okay, I know a good hospitals in Nigeria you can give birth.
Me? God forbid. I cannot give birth in Nigeria. My friend Ogechukwu give birth in America. Onye ona Oge America. Then no. Thank you. But I won't give birth in Nigeria.
Because
I'm an only king with one.
I have one land.
Nah. Are you sure you're capable? You can't get one land. You can win more lands. You can win plenty lands. So that I know that you are serious and you are capable.
You can small.
You cannot come not small. I want established men. Actually, I'm okay to go established. I bet I'm a white half biko. Anyways, just in case, Adi and Mom, when we now happen to be together, he gave a paper shop. Can you establish a shop for me? Because I'm not a lazy person. I have all this pinging. More business. Buying and selling will be fed you I don't mind, provided you provide it for me, a shop. I will be there doing everything possible to take care of myself and my siblings. Even if you decide not to help my family, I don't mind. But you have to do that one for me. Can you do it?
I'll open for you a Igbo boutique.
Boutique na supermarket though. Is it sure?
I'm glad you want to also do something.
I won't be a liability, so don't worry about that.
Go
ahead now.